In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in PUBG Mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All we have to do to create a 1v1 room in PUBG Mobile and play 1v1 with your friends is to use a room card. In this video, I'm not gonna go specifically over all the methods to acquiring room cards, but they are necessary to create a custom room. Some of the way to obtain them are from the Elite Royale Pass, as you can see. You can also get them from the Clan Shop or from the Treasures tab over at the General Shop. Regardless of which option you pick, you do need to acquire at least one of these room cards to create the 1v1 room. Once you acquire one of these room cards, go back on the main menu and then select Customize Match Selection. Tap the Room button and you will be able to see the Customize Match lobby screen. After accessing that window, you will be able to create a new custom room by clicking on the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from there, manage the options. So change the team mode to whatever you wish, first person or third person, and then include a room password if necessary. Afterwards, your opponent will be able to find your room in the same window where you can see all the available rooms. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in PUBG Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.